Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm gonna show you that how you can resolve your problem. Problem is that your Facebook notification is not working. So you just get the notification and you're saying that you cannot get any notification from the Facebook. So and just pop up a message. So they get not notification sound and also not a notification from the Facebook. So how you can resolve that? So you just follow the steps to fix your issue. Simply just go to the settings of the iPhone and you have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected during that process. If you have a connected VPN, just disconnect it. After that, we just go to the other section and just software update and just update the latest iOS version in your iPhone or the iPad. And after go to the transfer reset iPhone and just tap on a reset and reset the network setting from here. After doing that settings, simply just go to the Facebook app and just go to the profile section and just go to the settings sections of your Facebook and just scroll it down to the bottom and just find a notification option. If you find it, simply just tap on that and just see that there is a multiple options. So make sure that you just scroll it down and when you receive the notification, so you just go to that section and you see that there's an option of push. Just tap on that and you have to make sure that you turn it on. And when it just got the notification, it's gonna sound up and pop up on the interface of your iPhone and just get a notification. Just make sure that it's turn it on. So many users it's turn it off, so make sure that you just turn it on. After that, just go back and scroll up and see that I am just done or don't disturb. So I'm not getting notification sound on my iPhone. Just tap on that and just that is the settings. You have to make sure to get the notification off on the Facebook. So that is the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.